click tracking area. I love the groan every time you sit down. Every time I go up.
If I had $1,000,000, if I had $1,000,000, I'd fix up this old house. I'd fix up this old house. If I had $1,000,000, if I had $1,000,000, I'd make an elegant plan, like a villain in a movie. If I had $1,000,000, if I had $1,000,000, we'd get a conduction oven, gotta circulate all that hot air. If I had $1,000,000, I'd endow your love. If I had $1,000,000, we'd hire someone to cut the lawn. If I had $1,000,000, any budgets would be covered till it's gone. If I had $1,000,000,
We'd gather around at his knees and the rabbit would jump in with
What would you all do if you had $1,000,000?
I'd put a roof on the Bower, heat it, air condition it.
Improve the electrical system of the Bower.
Probably throw it in the endowment.
Buy a big house with a pool.
Put a new roof on the Bower and build a bathhouse.
I would change the peak room into a swimming pool.
and if I had $1,000,000, if I had $1,000,000, I'd improve communication, like a zip line down to the creek. And if I had $1,000,000, if I had $1,000,000, I'd get insurance against the storm to insure all those creature comforts. If I had $1,000,000, I'd endow your love. If I had $1,000,000, slow down the American creek. If I had $1,000,000, buy some inner tubes that wouldn't leak. If I had $1,000,000.
If I had $1,000,000, I would endow the Bower.
Pay off college student debt.
I would buy a lot of art supplies.
It to charity.
What would I do if I had $1,000,000? I'd give it to you, buddy.
I would pay off my student loans.
I would invest it for a consistent income.
Well, I mean, I don't. So, why are we bothering with hypotheticals?
If I had $1,000,000, 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 we'd be rich.
Perfect.